planner friends, and thank you for joining me. This week we are doing the third week of December. So it is going to be the 13th through the 19th. And the theme that I decided to go with this time is hot chocolate or cocoa and cookies because there are a couple of holidays that fall in the week. And let's see where they are. Oh, wait. Okay, here we go. So the first one is on Monday the 13th. It is National Hot Cocoa Day. And then we also have on Saturday the 18th, Bake Cookies Day. Sorry, the sun is kind of falling on my desk in not the best way. But hopefully we can get this video done without too much glare. I think that should be okay. Gotta remind myself to keep everything in place. So what I decided to do for this time is I printed out some pictures. We have some cookies and we have some more cookies and milk. And this is for the Bake Cookies Day. I don't know about this one. This is a tree made out of cookies. I thought it was cute, but I did print these out a little too big, so I don't know if I'll use that one. And then I have a couple of these for the hot chocolate day. And there's also something about decorating gingerbread on one of these days, so gingerbread goes along with that also. All right, so let's dive on in.